In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Sprout Social effortlessly in just about 5 minutes. Now, Sprout Social is a great tool for managing and scheduling your social media posts, enhancing both personal and business accounts. Whether you're a seasoned social media manager or a newbie just getting started, effectively tagging people in your posts can dramatically boost engagement. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you find most comfortable using. Once your browser is open and ready, type Sprout Social into the search bar and hit enter. You should see Sprout Social's official website pop up in the search results. Click on it to navigate to Sprout Social's main page. Upon arriving at the home page, look for the Sign In or Sign Up option, usually located at the top right of the screen. If you already have an account, go ahead and click Sign In to enter your login details. For those who are new to Sprout Social, hit Sign Up to create an account. It's a straightforward process that involves providing some basic information about yourself or your business. Now, once logged in, you'll want to find the pencil icon or the Compose button. This is your gateway to crafting a new post and is typically located at the top or side of your dashboard. Once you click on it, a new post interface will open up, prompting you to write your post copy, upload any images or videos you'd like to include, and effectively plan out your post. When it comes to tagging someone, it's as easy as using the @ symbol. Type @ followed by the person's handle or username, and Sprout Social will auto-suggest get you started with the right tag. This is not only a time saver, but also ensures you're tagging the right account as you go. Make sure the suggested handle is correct, as tagging the wrong person can lead to misunderstandings or awkward social media moments. After you've finally crafted your post and added the necessary tags, visuals, and text, take a moment to review your masterpiece. Ensure everything looks good and you've tagged everyone correctly. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your post by clicking the Publish button. Sprout Social will then share your content on your chosen platforms, complete with all your tags and mentions intact. And that's it. Simple, right? With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you can enhance your posts by tagging relevant users, helping you engage more effectively with your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more social media tips and strategies. Happy posting!